Audiobook Glimpses of Self-Realization, Volume 1, Chapter 25. The Elephant Indradyumna and Self-Realization. The king Indradyumna once became an elephant. Due to the curse of sage Agastya, he started living as an elephant in the mountains of Triguda one day, along with so many fellow elephants. Indradyumna entered a lake for playing and drinking water when a crocodile caught hold of one of his hind legs. Even though he tried his level best, he could not get freedom from the iron clutches of the crocodile. The fellow elephants tried in vain to rescue him. After a while, the other elephants left, unable to pull him out from the lake, from the clutches of the wild crocodile. Worldly sorrows are actually blessings in disguise. Indradyumna knew that nobody can help him other than Lord Narayana himself. Indradyumna surrendered to Lord Narayana and started praying with devotional hymns with which he was familiar in previous lives. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste Sriman Narayana Charanam Sharanam Prabhadye, which means I surrender myself to the ever benevolent feet of Bhagavan Narayana, the primordial preceptor of the whole world. Immediately Bhagavan Narayana appeared before Indradyumna and gave liberation to him and the crocodile as well. Actually, this is the plight of every man or woman of the world. Usually somebody loves somebody for fulfilling his or her desires through him or her. If one is not getting the desired results, worldly love ceases to exist, being transitory and fleeting. The husband is not being loved for the sake of the husband, but for the sake of the self. And the wife is not being loved for the sake of the wife, but for the sake of the self. Thus says Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. The whole family is not being loved for the sake of the family, but for the sake of the self. Only God loves everybody unconditionally. When worldly love is directed towards God through self-surrender, that gets transformed into bhakti or devotion, resulting in self-realization and sahaja samadhi or peace inherent. Moral of the story. Bhagavan Narayana is the all-pervading, undivided, infinite, omnipresent and omnipotent, absolute reality, truth, being, existence, consciousness and bliss. Due to self-forgetfulness or Atma Vismriti, through the body-mind-intellect complex, the five sense organs and their objects We revel in the ephemeral and phenomenal world without ever knowing what it is all about. Due to divine grace of Guru, our own self, when we get self-knowledge or Atmasmriti, we start perceiving unity amidst diversity, and that is self-realization. The crocodile is the egocentric latent impressions and the desire-prompted actions or prarabdha already begun and nearing their fruition, accumulated through myriads of previous births. Bhakti or devotion with self-surrender to God or one's own self results in egolessness and self-realization.